I just retired a year ago from the Army. I served for 22 years. My name is Sabrina Hernandez. I'm currently from San Antonio, Texas. When I retired, I said I didn't want to be living in a big house anymore. So I bought an RV, and when my AC went out, I said I wanted to fix my own RV because it was going to be months before I could get someone to come out to fix it. One of the neighbors had put out his little inspection sign with his little NRVTA certifications, and I was like, hey, where'd that come from? So he told me the story, and I was like, can I go? I was stoked when I found out that the GI Bill was going to be able to pay for this school. And now I'm here, coming to class, trying to learn what I can learn, trying to retain what I can retain. When I did water heaters and furnaces, these guys made it really easy to understand. Same thing with AC, the refrigerators, and working with exteriors. Never did I ever think that I would be able to fix any type of electrical work to make the AC work, or a slide coming out, or making the refrigerator work. And I'm just like, wow, like I can do that now. So